Dear students, greeting of the day and wish you a very happy new year. Today we will discuss about the sign conventions in the mirror as well as in the lenses, because this is a most important topic in the chapter light, where we get a numerical either from mirror portion or from lens portion. So mostly students confuse about the sign conventions, which sign we have to take for U, V and F. First of all, we will discuss what is U, what is V, what is F. In case of mirror, we measure all distances from the pole. Pole is middle point of mirror. Generally we represent it by capital letter P. And we measure all distances from this point P. The distance of object from pole is taken as U, distance of image from pole is taken as V, and distance of focus from pole is taken as small f. In case of mirror, either it is concave or convex. U is always taken as negative. U is always taken as negative. And for concave mirror, when we get real inverted image, then V is taken as negative, and the case when we get virtual and erect image, then in that case V is taken as positive, right? And focal length in case of concave mirror is always taken as negative. So what we have discussed till now, U is always taken as negative in case of concave mirror, focal length is also taken as negative, and distance of image is taken as negative in case when we will get real inverted image, and V is taken as positive when we get virtual and erect image, right? And when we discuss about convex mirror, for convex mirror, the distance of object from pole, that is U, is always taken as negative. Focal length is always taken as positive, and distance of image from pole, that is V, that is also taken as positive, right? In both cases, if image is erect, then H dash, which is indicated by height of image, is taken as positive. If image is inverted, in that case image height is taken as negative, right? Now we will discuss about the lenses. Here basically there are two type of lens which we will discuss here. One is convex lens, which is thick at middle. Another one is concave lens, which is thin at middle. For convex lens, U is always taken as negative. Here what is U? U is distance of object from optical center of lens. Optical center is a point inside the lens from where light can travel from one medium to another without changing its path, right? So in case of lenses, we measure all distances from the optical center. The distance of object from optical center is always taken as negative. So in case of lens also, U is taken as negative. In convex lens, focal length is taken as positive, and in case of real and inverted image, V is taken as positive. V is taken as positive in convex lens. And if image is virtual and erect here, right, in that case V is taken as negative. For real and inverted images or convex lens, V is taken as positive. Now when we talk about concave lens, U is taken as negative, V is always taken as negative, as well as focal length is also taken as negative, right? And about the size of images, if basically inverted image is formed, so H dash is taken as negative and height of object is taken as positive, right? So these are basic sign conventions rule for case of spherical mirror as well as for case of spherical lenses. I hope it will be beneficial for you when you will solve the problem, numerical problem related to mirror and lenses. Thank you.